Hello, imagine you are given a time frame that you have to make $100,000 at the end of the year, or else you are going to lose everything. Or let me say, maybe you are going to have a dreaded disease in which if you don't get that amount of money, you won't be able to go to the hospital. If you don't get that, you're gonna die. What will you do? Here is what I'm talking about. You want to start something that you really desire, something that you know that is going to change your life for the positive. But then you've been trying to do it, but you don't know how to start. You feel like I can do this. So put yourself in that situation that you want to get that, but then will you rest even for a second? Because you will know that the second you rest is a second lost. The minute you stay there stretched up, it's gone. You'll never get it back. While you should have used that to plan what you're going to do next. So in this video, I'm just going to show you something really quick. I just want to show you how to get out of that. I want to show you something that you can do to get yourself out of that situation. Something that you can do to fulfill, to achieve all that you desire, to get all that money that you want in order for you to solve the problem that you have. Okay, so let's get started. The title of the video is How to Get That Which You Desire in 6 Ways. Okay, first of all, you will have to know what you want. Be very precise on with what you want. Maybe you want money, right? You want wealth, you want to be rich. You can just say you want to be rich. That is very, very general. Say the how much you want. You want to make $1 million. You want to make $1,000. You want to make $20,000, $100,000. State it and put it down somewhere. Okay, it doesn't have to be monetary or something. Success comes in many phases depending on who you are, where you are, situation that you are in. It may be that you just want to be athlete, you want to run faster, you want to lose some weight. Put it down. You want to lose how much weight do you want to lose? And put it down there. A second thing, write down what you're going to do in order for you to achieve that which you desire. You don't just say that I want $100,000 and that's all you are gonna get it. No, you have to know what are you going to do in order for you to get that actual amount of money that you really want. So put it down there and know that, okay, I want to make $1 million. I want to make $1,000. I want to make $100,000. Right? I want to lose weight. Have a plan. Like, you have to know what you're going to do. Are you going to run every morning? Are you going to start going to the gym? So know what you're going to do. And then number 3, know the time frame. What is your time frame? When do you want to achieve this thing that you desire? No. Have a time. Give it a time. Give it a deadline. 1st November 2020, and I want to get to $100,000 by 1st November 2021. Give yourself a deadline. And then another important thing, number 4. Number 4 is the core of all these things. This is where you get number 1, 2, 3 together, and you write a plan, a clear, precise plan. Organize your work. Plan with this time, with any resources that you have, everything that you have, put it there and don't waste time. Start immediately. Don't even think about anything else. Start right now, immediately. Don't even wait a second. And then number 5, write all these things down in a paper so that you can know, so that you can come back to them one day and then look at them. And I'm not saying one day. Number 6 is coming. Number 6, now read this thing every now and then. Remind yourself what you want. Remind yourself what you desire. Remind yourself what you're going to do. Remind yourself when you're going to get this thing. Remind yourself the plan. every day so that it become part and parcel of you, that it is the thing that you think about, it is the thing that you want to do, right? This thing is going to help you so that you can always be focused and laser focused on what you want, so that you know the very second that you sit down it's time to do something else, it is a time wasted and you will never get time to do that which you have always decided. I know this thing may have been long and the quality of the sound may be whack, and because I've recorded it in a place where it is noisy, but please forgive me, it is my first. I'm sorry for that. If you really found that this thing was helpful, kindly just leave a like and share and leave a comment below for any suggestion. Have a good time. Please start right now.